Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the TrollStore on your phone, no jailbreak. So what you want to do guys is go to the Zoom mods, and once you're here guys, go to the search bar and type in TrollStore and it should come right up. So as you can see guys, there it is, and now you can download it. So be sure to try this out guys, it's super insane and it fully works. Now if you go to the App Store and type it in, you can see the TrollStore is not there unfortunately, which is why I made this video for you guys. So let me just type it in. So I'm going to do TrollStore. And as you can see guys, no TrollStore, just some goofy apps. So be sure to try this out guys because it's super insane and it fully works. So if you want to download the TrollStore guys, all you gotta do is go to Zoom mods, you're gonna be all good. So be sure to try it. This doesn't require a computer as you can see, so it is super cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super insane guys. And you know, I'm always looking for mods and stuff, but personally I haven't had a ton of luck. But now I got TrollStore installed correctly, so be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super crazy. It's totally working guys, so be sure to get the word out. This is super cool and it is fully updated and everything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. As you can see, they got TrollStore, baby. Oh my gosh. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I mean, I've looked into other methods, as I said, and this is the only thing that actually works. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. Totally working method. Get the word out right now. This is updated. It's time for you guys to learn about it. It's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out, gang. This is super awesome. Totally working method. I will see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.